Have you ever seen those modern frosted glass effects in websites and apps? That's called Glassmorphism, and today I will show you how to create it with just a few lines of CSS in under 2 minutes. We have here a simple HTML structure, an image background, and a card on top. Inside the card, I have a title, some text, and a form with email and password fields. That's it, nice and simple. Right now, our card looks like a boring brown box. But with just 2 lines of CSS, we can turn it into that shiny frosted glass style you have seen in modern apps. First, let's look at the background. Right now it's just a solid brown, and to create the glass effect, we need it to be a color that you can see through. So instead, I will use a color with an alpha value like this. That last part, 20, make the color transparent, which means we can see what is behind the card. Without transparency, the blur effect we are about to add won't even show up. Now, here is the magic line. Backdrop filter blur 50 pixels. What this does is blur whatever is behind the card. In this case, our image background. The higher the pixel value, the stronger the blur. For example, blur 5 pixels gives us a soft subtle blur. Blur 20 pixels is much stronger like frosted glass. Blur 50 pixels looks like heavy frost, really hiding details behind the card. So by adjusting the pixels, you control how much of the background detail shines through. Important note, if your background is fully opaque, like pure brown, the blur has nothing to show. It is just a brown box. That's why adding transparency to the background is required. It lets the image behind it shine through, making it look like a real glass. And that's it. Just 2 lines of CSS turn a boring solid card into a beautiful glass effect. Perfect for sign-in forms, profile cards, or landing pages. Let me know in the comments if you want me to do another video on how to make this full login page from scratch. If you found this helpful, drop a like, share it with friends, and subscribe for more quick CSS tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.